Hello everyone, welcome to M Electrical YouTube channel. I hope you all are good and safe. Today in this video, you will get detailed concept and all the answers of these questions. So try to concentrate on the words whatever I will tell today. So watch the video till end. Yes, corona effect is very dangerous, even in engineering also. Maximum of you have seen many times this effect, but you didn't know that this is happening just because of corona. When you are passing under the transmission lines like this, especially at night time, then you may have seen that there is a faint violet glow like this and hissing sound coming from these lines. Generally, you have seen at night because of darkness. This glow become clear to our visibility. Along with this, some other things also happen there which we generally are not able to see by our naked eyes, like production of ozone gas, power loss, radio interference, etc. If the conductor is very new, that means polished and smooth, then the glow will be uniform throughout the conductor. But in case of old rough type conductors, then at the very rough points on the conductor, the violet glow will appear brighter. In case of DC supply, as there are two different conductors, positive and negative, so the positive conductor will uniformly glow and the negative one has spotty glow. These are the results of corona which we see. But why happen like this? What is corona? To know more detail, continue the video. Every conductor has its own specified voltage. Suppose the distance between two conductors, generally called GMD, is high and the applied voltage on them is low. Then it's okay, there is no corona. But if the case 1, GMD, that means distance, become lesser, keeping the voltage constant, or case 2, voltage become higher, keeping the distance constant, then the free electrons of each conductor get a path called leakage path to jump from one conductor to another. When the electrons make a leakage path in the form of leakage current, which are jumping from one conductor to another, then sparking occurs. Here the first case in which the GMD is becoming lesser, keeping the voltage constant. This case is practically not possible because the distance is fixed in case of a particular voltage transmission line. It's the matter of construction, so we cannot change this distance at any time. So practically what happens is, generally the voltage become higher, which is the second case. However, when the applied voltage exceeds a certain value called critical disruptive voltage, then only the faint violet glow appears surrounding the conductor called corona. Air is actually a strong dielectric medium. Under normal conditions, due to cosmic rays, ultraviolet radiations, and radioactivity, the air around the conductors contains some ionized particles, that is, positive ion, negative, that is, electron, and neutral molecules. But what actually happened at the surrounding air? To know this, we have to know the theory of corona formation. before that, we have to know what is potential gradient. Potential gradient is nothing but the rate of change of voltage with respect to distance, that is G equal to dV by dx. Here you can see G is inversely proportional to x, that is distance. So as long as the distance increases from the conductor, the potential gradient decreases. So the maximum potential gradient is at the surface of the conductor. And again, G, that is potential gradient, is proportional to voltage. So if the voltage increases, then potential gradient will also increase. This was the small description about potential gradient, which is enough for this video. Theory of corona formation. Current is nothing but the flow of electrons, we all know. At conductor surface, under the influence of potential gradient, these existing free electrons acquire greater velocities. Now, if the voltage increases, potential gradient also increases, as they are proportional to each other, and as a result, velocity of electrons also increases. This way, when the potential gradient at surface of the conductor reaches about 30 kV per centimeter, which is the maximum value, the velocity of free electrons become very high. Now, these free electrons of very high velocity strike the neutral molecule, which is present in the surrounding air with very high force. Thus, the positive and negative electron, these all ions, gets generated from the neutral molecule. Now these recently generated electrons get the velocity of the previous electron. So this newborn electron again hits another neutral molecule, and again one or more electrons gets generated and gain the velocity of the previous one. Thus the process of ionization become cumulative process, and at last a huge number of electrons get generated between the conductors. As a result, corona is formed or spark take place between the conductors. Corona is nothing but the loss of power, which we generally study in power system of electrical engineering. I am sure that maximum of you didn't know about this type of corona. If you have learned something new in this video, then hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Remember, one like, one inspiration. I hope maximum of you have seen this violet glow and hissing sound coming from transmission line. Please inform us by doing a comment in the comment section below whether you have seen or not. And if you have any doubt regarding this topic or any other topic related to electrical engineering, then drop your doubt in the comment section below. Thank you for listening me today. We will meet soon with a new interesting topic. Till then, take care, be safe, and be protected from coronavirus. Goodbye.